Welcome, my name is Odile Faludi. I'm a starting customer conversation specialist. The biggest myth, I suppose you always hear this, is cold calling is dead. I don't know about it being dead, I just think it's really different. It's all about starting a customer conversation. So due to the large reliance upon social media, a lot of people have stopped calling, and that's where the problem is. Those salespeople who continually ring 20 to 30 qualified leads every single day are still getting appointments and with the right people. They're connecting at the beginning with the right people. So if you look at my screen, we can check out the numbers. So a really good caller, on average, will get 1 meeting out of 10 qualified calls. A great caller will get 2 meetings out of 10 qualified calls. And a star will get 4 meetings out of 10 qualified calls. Can you imagine the difference it makes to your business when you're getting 4 new business meetings out of 10 phone calls? So if you'd like to find out more tips, feel free to follow me on LinkedIn or on Twitter at Odile Faludi.